Welcome to techtide. Today, we're diving into the future of road technologies, innovations that are transforming how we travel. From smart traffic systems and solar-powered highways to self-repairing roads and intelligent street lighting, these cutting-edge technologies are making our roads safer, greener, and more efficient. Get ready to explore the incredible advancements that are revolutionizing transportation infrastructure. Subscribe now to stay updated on the latest in road technology and innovation. Stripe Hong SH24. Hog Technologies leads the pavement marking and maintenance industry, and the Stripe Hog is a standout in their lineup. Designed for runway cleaning, this machine covers a wide working area of 3.7 meters and excels in all conditions. From scorching heat to snow, whether on concrete or asphalt, the Stripe Hog doesn't rely on harsh chemicals to remove rubber particles, making it environmentally friendly while remaining effective. Equipped with various attachments, it can also handle water jetting, sandblasting, and grinding, making it a versatile tool for different cleaning tasks. In urgent situations, like an aircraft's emergency landing, the Stripe Hog can swiftly retreat from the runway in less than a minute, ensuring safety and quick response. DURA Bump. Greetings from South Africa, where the innovative DURA Bump was created. Unlike traditional speed bumps, these hemispherical bumps can be installed anywhere, even on cobblestone surfaces, regardless of weather conditions. From driveways to public roads, DURA Bump can be set up in under an hour, at 1/3 of the cost of standard speed bumps. They are crafted from refined epoxy resin, making them highly durable, requiring minimal maintenance, and eliminating the need for repainting. At night, their reflective surface makes them easily visible, improving safety for all drivers. Gold Series 6 Shooter. Repairing and adjusting manholes on busy roads has always been a tedious and risky job, but the Gold Series 6 Shooter is revolutionizing the process. Gone are the days of backbreaking labor and inefficient methods. This innovative attachment, designed for use with a skid steer, cuts through asphalt and concrete with ease, making manhole removal faster and safer. The Gold Series 6 Shooter offers adjustable cutting diameters between 70 and 150 centimeters, with the option to expand even further with an additional handle attachment. It cuts as deep as 50 centimeters, significantly reducing waste while making the entire operation more cost-effective. Whether you're working on roads or any hard surface, this powerful tool is built to handle the toughest jobs, delivering results quickly and efficiently. ETI Road Roller System. Introducing the ETI Road Roller System, a revolutionary advancement in road barrier technology developed in South Korea. Unlike traditional barriers, this system integrates lightweight and shock-absorbing EVA rollers with steel tubes, enhancing safety on roads. Standing at 16 inches high, these rollers effectively absorb inertia during accidents, preventing vehicles from crossing into oncoming lanes or rolling over, thus averting potentially dangerous situations. Already deployed across more than 62 miles of Korean roads, the ETI Road Roller System has garnered significant interest in Europe and the United States. American companies are even exploring production opportunities, driven by its compliance with stringent safety standards in both regions. Moreover, its resistance to various chemicals, including engine oil, and availability in multiple colors further underscores its appeal and practicality in diverse environments. Vogelzang-D-TEC. Imagine a scenario where construction materials arrive at a site, but without a crane in sight. How can the truck be efficiently unloaded without delaying operations for the next job? Enter Vogelzang-D-TEC's innovative built-in crane solution. These unique hybrids, based on Vogelzang trailers, have been making waves since one clinched the prestigious MAT Expo Safety Award last year. What sets them apart is their engineering innovation, particularly highlighted in safety tests where components like the crane side panels demonstrated robust safety margins. Capable of lifting loads up to 35 tons without the need for additional straps, these trailers redefine efficiency. With just one person's effort, steel plates, brick pallets, and other materials effortlessly flutter across the site like butterflies. This streamlined unloading process not only saves time but also enhances on-site safety and productivity. Vogelzang-D-TEC exemplifies cutting-edge technology in construction logistics, ensuring that materials arrive and are handled swiftly and safely. As construction methods evolve, these built-in crane solutions pave the way for more efficient and sustainable building practices. Rumble Hog. The Rumble Hog R7500 is a versatile, multifunctional truck that excels in grinding and cutting concrete and asphalt. This powerhouse is specifically designed for creating rumble strips, which are essential for alerting drivers to hazardous road sections and promoting safer driving habits. Equipped to turn the road into a washboard, the Rumble Hog R7500 can create rumble strips at impressive speeds of up to 8 km per hour. Its cutting synchronization is achieved through a combination of electronic and mechanical systems, ensuring precision and consistency. Remarkably, it can make up to 22,000 cuts per hour, with all debris efficiently sucked in by its integrated vacuum system. This innovative machine not only enhances road safety, but also underscores the reputation of its American manufacturer as the world leader in road marking and maintenance. With the Rumble Hog R7500 on the job, roads are transformed into safer, more navigable paths, ensuring drivers stay alert and attentive to traffic conditions. Highways Automated Cone Laying Machine. Meet the Highways Automated Cone Laying Machine, a groundbreaking innovation in road safety and efficiency. Capable of installing 7 cones or removing 6 in just a minute, this machine revolutionizes the way traffic cones are managed. The machine underwent extensive testing, successfully installing 57,000 cones and closing over 756 kilometers of road. After rigorous trials, it was deemed ready for mass production, much to the delight of its creators. Notably, the concept and prototypes were developed in part during the coronavirus pandemic, showcasing resilience and innovation in challenging times. With this automated solution, road safety and traffic management are significantly enhanced, reducing manual labor and increasing efficiency. The Highways Automated Cone Laying Machine is set to become an essential tool in modern road maintenance. Traffic Flow Plate Spike Barrier. When you need to regulate traffic without installing traditional barriers, the Traffic Flow Plate Spike Barrier, also known as a tire killer, offers an efficient and effective solution designed to ensure traffic moves in the correct direction and to protect areas from unauthorized vehicles. This barrier is ideal for city streets and various facilities. The concept is straightforward: 2-inch high spikes that are harmless to cars moving in the right direction. However, if a driver attempts to go the wrong way, they will face the consequences of flat tires and a necessary call to a tow truck. This system is simpler to install than conventional barriers and checkpoints, offering both efficiency and security. The standard version of the Traffic Flow Plate Spike Barrier is 4 feet wide, featuring 10 spikes. It comes in 2 variants, one resembling a speed bump for surface installation, and another for deeper installation in the ground. Additionally, customized versions can be ordered to meet specific needs. This innovative system ensures proper traffic flow and enhances security without the need for cumbersome barriers, making it a versatile solution for traffic management and area protection. Traffic Tech Smart Barriers. Australia, consistently ranking among the top 10 countries for car ownership per capita, is at the forefront of road technology innovations. A prime example of this is the Traffic Tech Smart Barriers. These cutting-edge barriers enable the construction of a 120-meter-long movable barrier that can be repositioned in just 60 seconds. The versatility of these smart barriers is unmatched. They can efficiently close lanes during roadwork, direct traffic for emergency services, or block tunnel entrances when needed. The intelligent barrier control system provides several optimal options for the operator, ensuring smooth and safe traffic management at all times. With Traffic Tech Smart Barriers, Australia is leading the way in enhancing road safety and efficiency through advanced technology. These barriers not only streamline traffic flow, but also provide a robust solution for dynamic and responsive traffic control in various situations. Semaforo Honda Safety. Introducing the Semaforo Honda Safety System, a game changer in road safety that captured the internet's attention with an astounding 2 million likes on TikTok in just 24 hours. Here's the scoop. When riders on scooters, motorcycles, or mopeds neglect to wear helmets, this innovative system keeps the traffic light red. As a twist, their bewildered expressions are broadcasted on a large screen for all those stuck in the ensuing traffic jam to witness. Launched in Campana, Argentina, this initiative directly confronts the widespread issue of helmet non-compliance among drivers, with statistics showing that 4 out of every 10 riders in the region ride without adequate head protection. This bold approach not only aims to improve safety but also leverages social media to raise awareness in a compelling and viral manner. The creators behind this ingenious system are now poised for a well-deserved celebration, having successfully sparked conversations and actions towards safer driving habits. Versilis SwiftGate. Next, the Versilis SwiftGate, a sophisticated traffic management system designed to handle the intensity of global traffic. In 2015, with 974 million cars worldwide, traffic management became crucial, especially on busy routes like Canada's 22-lane highway, where 500,000 vehicles pass daily. Developed by a Canadian company, Versilis SwiftGate offers a comprehensive solution with automatic signs, barriers, and lane blocking systems. This innovative system allows for swift lane closures for repairs, redirection during accidents, or weather emergencies. For instance, a rotating barrier up to 5.5 meters long activates fully in just 25 seconds. Operators can manage everything using a remote control with a range of up to 1.6 kilometers, or from a PC or smartphone, ensuring efficient and responsive traffic control even from remote locations. Portable Speed Bump. Introducing the Portable Speed Bump, the ideal solution for managing traffic at dynamic events such as concerts, festivals, and parades. Unlike traditional speed bumps, this model offers exceptional portability, weighing just 29 pounds and easily maneuverable by a single person. Its design spans 10 feet, providing extensive coverage to effectively slow down vehicles. Built to withstand vehicles weighing up to 22,000 pounds, it ensures durability and reliability in various traffic conditions. The bright coloration enhances daytime visibility, while reflective strips ensure it remains clearly visible at night, prioritizing safety around the clock. Priced competitively at $232 per unit, the Portable Speed Bump offers an affordable yet effective means of traffic management. Whether used temporarily or as part of a recurring event setup, it serves as a practical tool for organizers and traffic managers seeking reliable traffic control solutions. Transurban Robo. Presenting the Transurban Group's pioneering Robo traffic cones, an innovative leap forward in road safety management. Celebrated as a global leader in toll road operations, Transurban is leading the charge with a groundbreaking initiative that introduces autonomous traffic cones to streamline safety protocols. These cones autonomously position themselves upon command or operate independently, significantly reducing the need for manual intervention. What sets these robo traffic cones apart are their advanced safety features. Equipped with cutting-edge vibration sensors, they swiftly detect unauthorized vehicle entries into restricted areas. When workers equipped with these sensors are in proximity, the cones activate automatically, promptly alerting them to potential hazards. Transurban's steadfast commitment to innovation not only enhances operational efficiency, but also prioritizes safety, ensuring safer road environments for both workers and motorists alike. Parklio. the future of smart parking barriers. Meet Parklio, a revolutionary advancement in parking barrier technology that combines convenience and security like never before. Operating directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth, these smart barriers eliminate the need for manual handling. With a simple tap on your phone, you can effortlessly open and close the barrier, ensuring ease and efficiency, rain or shine. Parklio's digital keys can be shared remotely, enabling access from up to 164 feet away. Its vandal-proof design prevents unauthorized lifting, guaranteeing robust security. Some models feature solar panels for eco-friendly recharging, complementing their long-lasting battery life of up to a year. Unlike traditional barriers, Parklio lowers in just 4 seconds, significantly faster and smoother for seamless traffic management in parking areas. Enlil vertical axis, harnessing wind for energy. Imagine standing at a crosswalk when a passing truck's powerful gust nearly knocks you off balance. Now, envision that same gust being harnessed for energy. Enter the Enlil vertical axis wind generator, an innovative technology that captures energy from both natural winds and the turbulence created by passing vehicles. This cutting-edge wind generator has proven its capabilities through testing, generating a kilowatt-hour of energy. What sets it apart is its modular system, integrating Wi-Fi stations, traffic control systems, air analyzers, and even earthquake sensors. This versatility makes it relevant not only in urban environments, but also in broader applications. Enlil vertical axis has garnered significant recognition, securing first place in the Mercedes-Benz startup competition in Turkey and attracting interest from the EU. With its potential to revolutionize sustainable energy solutions, let's wish Enlil good luck and fair winds on their journey forward. Solar Roadways. Introducing Solar Roadways, a groundbreaking project that captured global attention on Indiegogo with backing from 48,000 supporters across 165 countries. Unlike conventional solar innovations, Solar Roadways isn't just a solar panel system. It's designed to support the weight of vehicles, making it suitable for use on public roads. The creators envision a transformative impact. If all US roads were equipped with these panels, they could generate 3 times more energy than the country currently consumes. These panels not only generate electricity, but also store it, allowing them to charge electric vehicles as they pass over. Roadways represents a visionary step towards sustainable infrastructure, offering a dual solution of energy production and electric vehicle support on a massive scale. Wave Delineator, the revolutionizing bike lane safety. Imagine a future where bike lanes are not only safer, but also more visually appealing. Enter the Wave Delineator, a groundbreaking barrier designed to enhance cycling infrastructure in bike-friendly nations like Denmark and the Netherlands. Recently showcased at the National Bike Summit, this innovative barrier surprised cyclists with its aesthetic appeal and practicality. Unlike conventional flex posts, the Wave Delineator aims to efficiently separate cyclists from traffic, protecting bike lanes from unauthorized parking. If proven more effective than traditional barriers, experts foresee widespread adoption, potentially transforming urban cycling environments globally. Nissen Drop and Pick System. Presenting the Nissen Drop and Pick System, advanced road signs designed by the German company Nissen. These innovative signs, known as drop and pick, revolutionize road safety with their effortless installation process, eliminating the need for workers to exit their vehicles. Customizable combinations of signs, arrows, and messages can be tailored to meet the specific traffic regulations of any country. Once installed, adjustments to the drop and pick system can be easily made using a specialized remote control, ensuring convenience and flexibility. Equipped with both Bluetooth and wired connections, alongside a backlit remote control for seamless operation, even at night. Nissen's drop and pick system sets a new standard in efficient and adaptable traffic management solutions.